right, team, and there we have it. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, my link should be popping up here. But one of the things that we talked about on Instagram is we had a very aggressive push up on /NQ, and it became super overbought. And this is one of the things that people need to understand is that patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. I viewed and I saw as soon as the market opened /NQ to be overbought here, but it continued to rally nonstop. And you guys can see that it wasn't until this point right here where we broke below the SMA line and the EMA line that the action actually started to happen for me. So once we saw this break, we went in heavy on SQs, and this is where it really all began to happen. It became then super oversold based off of previous lows. It began to form a potential support, and we broke above the EMA line. Then I bought TQs, and then now I just decided to lock in my profits on TQs. So I waited all day just for this action, and at the end of the day, this didn't even have to happen. So this, I hope, continues to uptrend and continues to make you guys more money, but I decided to walk away as I hit my daily goal of $1,000 profit. So all positions closed. I'm very pleased with how the day played out. It's a little bit later throughout the day. We have a lot of work to catch up on with our Mesa house flip. And also, as many of you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, with the new HQ, the building that we bought in Chandler that we will be bringing soon to Learn Plan Profit members here locally, and of course the ones that choose to visit us from out of state. So $439 profit on TQs, a little bit over $592 profit on SQs, for a nice little whopping $1,000 profit. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, don't forget that we do offer an absolute free Facebook group, which is the first link down below. We have a little bit over 289,000 members. And if you're ready to connect with like-minded individuals, that's that first link down below. And also for those that want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, you guys know that the only team that I work with on a closer basis and that get to watch me trade live is the Learn Plan Profit team. So if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, click the second link down below, scroll down, get a taste of what it's like to first watch me trade live. And if you like what you see, then again, feel free to join our Learn Plan Profit team, and we will see you tomorrow at market open. Until then, team, we'll see you guys on the next one. I really hope that we earned your thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.